Yes, good day sa inyong lahat, sa inyong tanan, to all of you. Okay, ari naman kita sa aton opisina and we are on the second day of service for the week. No, kahapon Sunday, now it's Monday and more busier than yesterday. So right now I will be preparing, so join me on my vlog today here on my Yansky Cool Vlog. Let's enjoy serving our fellow brothers and sisters. Let's go! Okay, now nakapag-ayos na, nakaprepare na ta. So let's go upstairs sa atong digtong place to set up the sounds lang. Kay ibilin ta kay live kita gyapon nga program diri sa aton sa AWR while nagapadayon ang week of prayer sang Adventist Academy Bacolod. Why? Kailangan gid kay on April medyo multiple days nga wala kita. So hindi ko gusto nga madamo laman liwat ang wala kita sang live program. So as possible bala na mo multitasking ta. So let's go and enjoy serving. Yes, hello, it's nighttime. It's time for our nightly crusade. And we have prepared already, naka-ready na sa babaw. And magkakadto na kita dito. And join in again, the second night for our nightly crusade here in NOCEC, Negros Occidental Conference Evangelism Center. Let's go and join in the devotional, the evangelistic crusade.